number 16, students. A cubical block of wood weighing 200 gram has a lead piece fastened underneath. Find the mass of the lead piece which will just allow the block to float in water. Specific gravity of wood is equals to 0.8 and that of lead is 11.3. Okay, sir. So there is a cubical block weighing 200 gram. Okay, this is made up of wood. Yes, sir. I am considering its mass as a small m. Students, small m is equals to 200 gram. That means, okay. Lead piece is fastened underneath. This is very important. Lead piece, students. Let me consider this as the lead piece. Its mass is capital M. So this is lead piece. Okay, sir. Find the mass of the lead piece. That means capital M is question mark, which will just allow the block to float in water. Okay, that means students, ये क्यूब का जो टॉप सरफेस है, yes, ये क्यूब का जो टॉप सरफेस है, this will coincide with the free surface of liquid. Yes, sir. So ये क्यूब का जो टॉप सरफेस है स्टूडेंट्स, it will coincide with, tell me, free surface of the liquid. Which liquid? Obviously water. Okay, and relative density, students, for wood, relative density for wood is equals to 0.8. Relative density of lead is equals to 11.3. Are you following this, students? We have to find out the value of capital M beta. Okay, so capital M is mass of this lead piece. So first step, students, will calculate weight. Yes, weight of this entire system, weight is equals to mg. So this is small m plus capital M, the whole into g. Weight, sir, total mass multiplied by small g. Let me consider this as equation number 1. Okay, next step, students, can I say ये जो water के अंदर ये पूरा system submerged है, water will be exerting upthrust on this system. Students, next step, I will be finding out buoyant force exerted by water on this system. Can I say this buoyant force, this force of buoyancy, this upthrust, whatever you say, is given by the formula V inside multiplied by density of liquid, that is obviously water, into small g. Okay, now the problem is V inside, right? V inside we cannot find out directly because two different solids are there which are submerged in water, right? So this should be volume of wood plus volume of lead which is inside water. Now how to calculate volume, students? It is mass divided by density. So मैं ऐसा लिख रहा हूँ, volume of wood which is submerged in water is equals to mass of wood which is small m divided by density of wood plus volume of lead which is submerged in water will be mass of lead capital M divided by density of lead. Are you following this? So students, we got this total V in multiplied by density for water into small g. This is my equation number 2. I think, students, that the cube is floating, sink नहीं हो रहा है ना, so I can use my condition of equilibrium. That means weight should be numerically equals to force of buoyancy. That means I can equate equation number 1 with equation number 2. Students, when you will equate, ये g तो definitely cancel out हो जाएगा, तो आप लिख सकते हो small m plus capital M, small m plus capital M is equals to small m divided by density of wood plus capital M divided by density of lead. The whole should be multiplied by, students, density of water. Is that fine with you? Okay, students, we have to calculate the numerical value of this capital M, right? So एक काम करते हैं, as per the data they are providing you relative density. Okay, so I will make it this way, LHS as it is, small m plus capital M. What about RHS, sir? Students, मैं लिखता हूँ small m divided by density of wood divided by density of water. Can I do that? Plus capital M divided by, students, density of lead divided by density of water. Okay, that means, students, this is small m divided by, now what is this? Density of wood divided by density of water. This is relative density of wood. What is the value, students? That's 0.8 plus capital M divided by, students, density of lead divided by density of water. This is relative density of lead. What is the value, students? 11.3. LHS as it is, small m plus capital M. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, इतना फॉलो किया होगा आपने, कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है इसमें. So the requirement is capital M. Okay, we can do this now. Capital M minus capital M divided by 11.3 is equals to, students, small m divided by 0.8 minus small m. This maths is correct. So this is, students, capital M multiplied by 1 minus 1 over 11.3. That is equals to small m I am taking common. So inside the bracket it is 1 over 0.8 minus 1. So guys, this is small m multiplied by 5 by 4 minus 1. This is capital M multiplied by 11.3 minus 1, 10.3 divided by 11.3, students. So this is capital M multiplied by 10.3 divided by 11.3 is equals to small m into, this should be 1 by 4, students. Yes. So capital M, which is the requirement, will be equals to, students, 1 by 4 into small m. The value of small m is 200 ग्राम. Yes, ग्राम यूज़ कर रहा हूँ बेटा मैं, तो आपको जो कैपिटल m मिलेगा उसका यूनिट भी ग्राम होगा बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट. 1 by 4 into small m, which is 200 ग्राम, multiplied by, students, 11.3 divided by 10.3. ये आप सॉल्व कर लेंगे. So as per my knowledge, this answer should be 54.85 grams, students. So this is the value of capital M, 54.85 gram. That means the required value of mass of this lead is equals to 54.85 gram. Okay. Question number 17. Solve the previous problem. That means question number 16. If the lead piece is fastened on the top surface of the block and the block is to float with its upper surface just dipping into water. So in the previous question, students, what we have done is this lead is fastened underneath the block. 17th में नया क्या है? The lead piece is fastened on the top surface of the block. That means ये lead मैं यहाँ से निकाल देता हूँ and I am keeping it on top of this cube. So lead is over here, students. Its mass is capital M and again sir, capital M is the requirement. So students, एक काम करते हैं, इसको मैं थोड़ा अपग्रेड कर देता हूँ so that there is no confusion in your mind. Okay. This is free surface of liquid, students. That means क्या आपको समझा कि lead जो है वो बिल्कुल भी water में submerged नहीं है. Lead is not at all submerged inside water. That is the reason in this question number 17, right? In this question number 17, उन्होंने आपसे कहा है lead is above the cubical block. And yes, the cube का edge is coinciding with, tell me, free surface of liquid. वो ठीक है students. So in the previous question, students, हमने क्या किए थे? We found first weight. Weight is equals to mass of entire system multiplied by small g. Small m is mass of this cubical container जो wood का बना हुआ है. Capital M is mass of lead, which is a requirement. So equation number 1 will remain same. Equation 2 पे आते हैं students. Force of buoyancy, which is upthrust. Volume of the solid, which is inside the liquid, which is submerged inside the liquid, multiplied by density of water into small g. Okay, तो बेटा ये हो जाना चाहिए. Volume is equals to mass divided by density. Mass divided by density. Take this step very seriously बेटा. Last step में दोनों जो solid है वो completely immersed थे inside water. This time only this wood is immersed inside water. So volume of a solid which is inside the liquid is mass of solid, mass of wooden block divided by density of wood. Yes sir. Multiplied by, students, density of water into small g. Are you following this? Yes. But let's say this is your equation number 2. As per condition of equilibrium, floating हो पा रहा है students. That means weight should be numerically equals to upthrust. Equation 1 we can equate with equation number 2. Yes. And as usual students, ये जो g वाला term है वो cancel out हो जाएगा once you equate. So it should be this way. Small m plus capital M, yes, is equals to small m divided by, students, can I make it this way, density of wood divided by density of water, sir, correct है? So this should be, students, small m plus capital M is equals to small m divided by, this is relative density of wood beta, density of wood divided by density of water. Okay, so I think the values are provided to you. Relative density of wood is 0.8. This is equals to small m plus capital M. So capital M I can treat as small m divided by 0.8 minus small m. सिंपल है ना बेटा, ये इतना कुछ कैलकुलेशन नहीं है इसमें, राइट? सो दिस शुड बी, स्टूडेंट्स, स्मॉल m वैल्यू 200 ग्राम divided by 0.8 minus small m again 200 grams, sir. So now this is, students, 250 minus 200, so this is equals to 50 gram. So this is the mass capital M, that means this is the mass of lead over here, which is 50 gram. This is your question number 17. Okay, students, let's solve question number 18 now. A cubical metal block of edge 12 centimeter floats in mercury with 1/5 of the height inside the mercury. Water is poured till the surface of the block is just immersed in it. Find the height of the water column to be poured. Specific gravity of mercury is equals to 13.6. Okay, sir. So we are doing question number 18. Let me draw that cubical block, students. Okay, its edge is of length 12 centimeter. Let me consider that edge as A. So A is equals to 12 centimeter. Okay, sir. This is floating in mercury. Okay, sir. So let me consider somewhere over here, this is the free surface of the liquid. Which liquid, sir? This is mercury. Okay, but I just take care of one thing over here. 1/5 of the height is inside mercury. Okay, that means the edge of the cube is 12, right? I am considering that as A. तो mercury के अंदर it is A by 5. Yes, sir. Total edge of this cube is A, which is 12 centimeter. Inside the mercury कितना float हो रहा है? 1/5. 1/5 ना बेटा, तो A by 5 times is in mercury, so 4A by 5 times will be in air, obvious. ठीक है, ये कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है आपके लिए. आगे सुनते हैं. Water is poured. Okay, that means we can consider, students, that as case number 2. This is case number 1. Case number 1, sir. So this cubical metal block is floating on the surface of mercury. Okay, sir. और कोई डेटा जो हमसे मिस हो रहा है केस 1 को लेके? That's it. Students, tell me, A is 12 centimeter. Okay, now can I say like this, the weight of this block is balanced by force of buoyancy created by mercury. So एक काम करते हैं ना, as per equilibrium weight को upthrust के साथ equate कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, so weight, sir, what is the weight? How to calculate weight of this cubical block? It is basically m times of g, m for mass. Now, students, what is mass? Density multiplied by volume. So density of this cubical container, that means density of this solid, right, multiplied by volume of this solid will be A cube. Cube has, students, what is total volume of this cubical block? It is A cube, right? So length cube is A cube, sir. This is your equation number 1. What next? Force of buoyancy, that is upthrust, also given by the formula V rho G. बट V कौन सा कंसिडर करना होता है, स्टूडेंट्स? वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सॉलिड विच इज इनसाइड द लिक्विड. नाउ कैन आई से सम वॉल्यूम ऑफ दिस क्यूब इज इनसाइड मर्क्यूरी. सर हाउ मच? अच्छा, कैन आई से बेटा ये जो बेस होगा, बेस, ये बेस तो एक स्क्वायर होगा. व्हाट इज एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर? इट इज अ साइड स्क्वायर विच इज नथिंग बट ए स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय हाइट. बेटा ये हाइट कितना है? A by 5. Okay, sir. So this is entirely volume of the solid which is inside liquid. Area of the base multiplied by height into, sir, density. Sir, it is density of mercury. Density of mercury, because mercury is creating upthrust, multiplied by small g, sir. Volume of the solid which is inside the liquid multiplied by density of liquid multiplied by small g will give you, sir, upthrust, force of buoyancy. सब समझा आपको? Now let me equate equation number 1 with 2. Weight is balanced by force of buoyancy, sir. So equation 1 should be equal to 2. That means students density of a solid, yes, will be equals to, वैसे आप इसको देखकर भी कैंसिल आउट कर सकते थे, a square into a is a cube, right? So a cube will cancel out, g will also cancel out. आपको मिलना है students density of solid is equals to 1/5 times density of mercury. This equation is useful to us beta. Let me consider this as equation number next, equation number 3. So density of this solid is equals to 1/5 times density of mercury. So ये हमें comparison मिल गया between the two densities. Okay. Now case 2 देखना है students हमें. Case 2, let me read that for you once again. Case 2 sir. Okay. Question number 18. Water is poured till the surface of the block is just immersed in it. Okay. Okay. Just immersed को आप highlight करेंगे students. Find the height of water column to be poured. Okay, specific gravity of mercury. Yes sir, मैं आपको बता चुका हूँ 13.6. Okay students. So एक काम करता है. Again, I am drawing that cubical container sir. Cubical metal block. Okay, something like this. Okay sir. But this time students, upthrust is not created by mercury alone. Okay sir. Okay. So there is mercury up to some level over here. So this is mercury sir. इसके ऊपर we are pouring water. ठीक है ना बेटा? So water sir. कैसे pour करना है? वो just immersed वाला statement देखा ना बेटा आपने? एक बार फिर से read करना पड़ेगा मुझे आपके लिए. This is water. Yes sir. Okay. चलिए फिर से चेक करते हैं. Yes sir. Water is poured. Okay. Water is poured till the surface of the block is just immersed in it. दैट मीन्स ये जो फ्री सरफेस ऑफ वाटर है ना स्टूडेंट्स, वो क्यूब का जो टॉप वाला एरिया होगा उसके साथ कोइंसाइड होगा. यस सर, आर यू फॉलोइंग दिस? सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम अज्यूमिंग दैट ये वाटर का जो लेवल है जो आपने पोर किया है, दिस इज एच. सो आई थिंक रिमेनिंग लेवल विल बी ऑक्यूपाइड बाय मर्क्यूरी. ओके, लेट मी जस्ट मेक इट मोर क्लियर. यस सर. सो रिमेनिंग विल बी स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट इज टोटल एज ऑफ द क्यूब? इट्स ए, राइट? वाटर ने कितना ऑक्यूपाई कर लिया? एच. सो मर्क्यूरी विल ऑक्यूपाई द रिमेनिंग वन विच इज ए माइनस एच. ओके सर, ए माइनस एच. ओके बेटा, आर यू फॉलोइंग दिस? सो आई थिंक मैं वेट कैलकुलेट कर सकता हूँ स्टूडेंट्स. वेट ऑफ दिस मेटल ब्लॉक, आई थिंक स्टूडेंट्स देयर विल बी नो चेंज इन वेट ना. सॉलिड भी वही है, वॉल्यूम भी वही है, डेंसिटी भी वही है और जी तो वैसे ही सेम है. सो वेट इज इक्वल टू, आई एम जस्ट डूइंग कॉपी पेस्ट, डेंसिटी ऑफ अ सॉलिड multiplied by volume of the solid, entire solid beta, multiplied by G. Equation next, equation number 4. Okay sir. How to calculate students force of buoyancy over here, FB? Upthrust, yes sir. यहाँ पे students water and mercury दोनों मिल के balance out the weight of the block, मिल के. So आपको upthrust को split करना पड़ेगा sir. Upthrust created by mercury plus upthrust created by water. Okay sir. So I am first calculating students upthrust created by mercury. Formula students, volume of a solid which is inside the liquid, correct है? Okay. ये इतने हिस्से का वॉल्यूम आप कैसे कैलकुलेट कर रहे हो बेटा? इट इज एरिया ऑफ द बेस मल्टीप्लाइड बाय हाइट. रिसेंटली आई टोल्ड यू द सेम. यस सर. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ सॉलिड विच इज इनसाइड मर्क्यूरी will be area of the base multiplied by height. How much is the height sir? A minus H. So ये हो गया students volume of solid which is immersed in mercury multiplied by density of mercury multiplied by G. Volume of solid which is inside the liquid multiplied by density of the liquid multiplied by G. This will give you upthrust, force of buoyancy and number of times हमने यूज़ किया है बच्चों इस चैप्टर में, करेक्ट है? V inside into density of liquid into G. Okay. Same way upthrust created by water बेटा, V rho G. But V कौन सा कंसिडर करना है? वॉल्यूम कौन सा कंसिडर करना है? वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉलिड विच इज इनसाइड द लिक्विड. ओके. सो हाउ टू कैलकुलेट दिस मच वॉल्यूम बेटा जो वाटर में है? यस, it is area of the base, a square again, multiplied by height. Students, what is this much height? It is H. H is in water. Okay sir. So this is volume of solid which is inside water, correct? Into students density of water into students small g. This is your next useful equation. Equation number 5. But are you following this? This is weight of the solid and this is force of buoyancy which is created by the combination of mercury and water. Now as per equilibrium the cube is floating students. So as per equilibrium मैं कह सकता था that equation number 4 and 5 are numerically the same. Let me equate 4 with 5. Yes. So students, density of a solid, right, multiplied by a cube, this will be equals to g, मैं थ्रू आउट कैंसिल आउट कर रहा हूँ बेटा, ठीक है ना. डेंसिटी ऑफ सॉलिड इंटू ए क्यूब इज इक्वल्स टू ए स्क्वायर इंटू ए माइनस एच इंटू रो फॉर मर्क्यूरी प्लस ए स्क्वायर इंटू एच इंटू डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर. दैट्स इट. Yes sir. So density of a solid, students, from case 1 we got this. Density of solid is equals to 1 by 5 times density of mercury. Let me substitute that. So this should be, students, 1 by 5 times density of mercury into a cube is equals to, students, this will be, आप a cube लिखिए minus a square into h, the whole should be multiplied by density of mercury. Yes sir. Plus a square into h into rho for water. Okay sir. Now students, let me divide both sides by density of water. And मुझे वैसे a square से भी थ्रू आउट डिवाइड करना था, ठीक है. तो कैसे करेंगे, a square into rho w थ्रू आउट कर लूँ मैं डिवाइड. तो डिवाइडिंग बोथ साइड्स बाय a square into density of water. Let's check. So 1 by 5 sir. डेंसिटी ऑफ मर्क्यूरी डिवाइड बाय डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर. आपने ए स्क्वायर से भी डिवाइड किया है बेटा, सो ए विल रिमेन हियर. ओके, दैट इज इक्वल टू, स्टूडेंट्स, ए माइनस एच. ओके, आपने थ्रू आउट क्या किया है, ए स्क्वायर से डिवाइड किया है. डेंसिटी आई एम एडजस्टिंग हियर, सो रो फॉर मर्क्यूरी डिवाइड बाय रो फॉर वाटर प्लस ए स्क्वायर इंटू रो डब्ल्यू विल कैंसल आउट, यू विल बी गेटिंग एच. ठीक है ना स्टूडेंट्स. यस. So this is, students, 1 by 5. Density of mercury divided by density of water is relative density of mercury. Value sir, 13.6 into A, the edge of the cube is 12 centimeter. Okay sir. So that is equal to, sir, what is A? It is 12 minus H, you don't know. Density of mercury divided by density of water is relative density of mercury. Sir, what is the value? 13.6 plus H as it is. Okay. बेटा ये हो जाएगा 13.6 इंटू 2.4, करेक्ट, इज इक्वल्स टू 12 इंटू 13.6 माइनस 13.6 इंटू एच प्लस एच एज इट इज. सो दिस इज, स्टूडेंट्स, 13.6 इंटू 2.4 इज इक्वल्स टू 12 इंटू 13.6 minus 12.6 times h, obvious. So that means 12.6 h will be equals to 13.6. I can take common. Inside the bracket it will be 12 minus 2.4. So this should be, students, 13.6 multiplied by 9.6. This is 12.6 times of h. So the value of h will be 13.6 into 9.6 divided by 12.6. And student, this is approximately going out to be 10.4 centimeter. Yes, 13.6 into 9.6 divided by 12.6 is 10.4 centimeter. That means, students, the required value of h, that means height of water column, is equals to 10.4 centimeter. Okay.